Hi everyone, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I'm Bharti. Today we'll be doing a full body stretching routine, which is perfect to do at the end of the day to feel relaxed and rejuvenated. So once you're ready, let's gently hop onto the mat and get going. Let us start by coming into an easy cross-legged sitting position. Ground your sit bones into the mat by moving the butt cheeks away. Lengthen the spine, roll the shoulders back. We'll start with some neck rolls. So let's drop the head towards the left side and then slowly roll it forward. Take it to the right and roll it back. Let's do 5 of these neck rolls in this direction. Inhaling on the way back. Exhale forward. Breathing into any tightness you feel. Last one. And then let's reverse. Try to keep the shoulders pressed down, away from the ears. Last round. And come back to center. Now let's bring both the hands on the shoulders and start rotating the shoulders in backward direction. Wait for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's go forward for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Now let's bring both the hands on either sides. As you inhale, extend both the arms up, interlacing the fingers and stretch up. Going up for 3, 2, 1. Exhale, slowly come down. Let's do it once more. Inhale, extend the arms up, stretching up for 3, 2, 1. Now from here, let's bend towards the left side, keeping the right hip grounded in the mat. And center again. Inhale, center. Exhale, bending to the right. Center once more, going to the left. Center, going to the right. Center, and slowly bring the hands down. From here, let's get into a twist. So bring the right hand on the left knee and the left hand behind. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, start twisting to the left. Looking back over the left shoulder, keeping the spine long. Staying for 3, 2, 1. Come back to center. Let's do it for the other side. Left hand on right knee, right hand behind. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist to the right. Keeping the spine long for 3, 2, 1. And come back to center. From here, let's get into a tabletop position. Bringing hands under the shoulders, knees below the hips. As you inhale, extend the spine, lifting the tailbone up and looking up. Exhale, curl the spine and start pushing the hips back, coming into child's pose. Again, inhale, come back to tabletop, extending the spine, looking up. Exhale, curl the spine, pushing the hips back to child's pose. We'll do 3 more. Inhale up. Exhale, pull the navel in, pushing the hips back. Inhale up. Exhale, curl and back. Last one. Inhale up. Exhale, push the hips back. And come back to center. From here, let's take the knees slightly out and let's start doing some hip rolls. Let's go in clockwise direction for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's reverse. for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come back to center. Bring both the knees in. We'll do an extended side leg. Thread the needle pose from here. So let's extend the left leg to the left side, keeping it in line with the right knee. As you inhale, extend the left arm up. Exhale, needle it under the right, bringing the left shoulder on the mat. You can extend the right arm straight ahead, staying in the twist. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and bring the right hand in and come back to center. From here, slide your right knee to the outer edge of the mat, and we are going to start pushing the hips back so that we get a nice stretch along the left inner thigh, and slide the hands forward, coming into a forward fold. Let's stay here for 5 deep breaths, breathing into the stretch in the upper back, lower back, and insides of the left leg. And slowly come back. And let's repeat this on the other side. Extend the right leg towards the right. Inhale, extend the right arm up. Exhale, needle it under, bringing the right shoulder on the mat. And extend the left arm over. And let's stay for 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back. Let's slide the left knee to the left edge of the mat. And then start pushing the hips back and walking the hands forward, coming into a forward fold. Staying for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to center and relax. From here, let's get all the way down on the mat. So let's slide down on the mat and come on our back, getting into reclined pigeon pose from here. So bring the right ankle over the left knee and grab the left shin or the left thigh. Keep the right foot flexed so that the toes are pointing towards the right knee. Inhale, and as you exhale, pull the left knee close to the chest, getting a nice stretch along the outside of the right thigh. And let's stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Let's bring both the arms at shoulder level and drop the knees towards the right side, keeping the right foot over the left thigh, getting a nice stretch in front of the left thigh. For 3, 2, 1, and come back to center. And let's repeat it on the other side. Bring the left ankle over the right thigh, grab the right shin, keep the left foot flexed, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, pull the right knee closer to the chest. Staying here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Let's bring both the arms at shoulder level. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Drop the knees to the left side, getting a nice stretch in front of the right thigh. And and come back to center. Let's bring both the knees in, hugging the knees close to the chest in Pavan Muktasan. You can rock side to side, massaging the spine and the lower back. Let's extend the left leg straight out and bring the right knee towards the left side, looking towards the right. Staying in the supine twist. 3, 2, 1. Come back to center. Let's do it for the other side. Bring the left knee in, take it to the right, looking towards the left. 3, 2, 1. And come back to center. Now let's take both the hands up, interlacing the fingers. And as you inhale, extend the entire body, stretching the arms away from the head and the toes away from the hips. 3, 2, 1. And relax. Just observe how your body feels after this quick practice. Feeling the effects of the practice on your body. Let's slowly turn to the left side. And then taking support of the hands, come up into a seated position. We'll finish the practice with 3 Om chants. Bring the hands in chin mudra on the knees and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Slowly bring the hands to heart center and let's start rubbing the palms to create heat in the palms. Gently bring the palms over the eyelids, feeling the healing heat of the palms through the eyelids. Slowly bring the hands down and open your eyes. Hope you enjoyed today's session. I'll see you soon with something new. Till then, take care and bye-bye.